How to add commentary in EA Sports FC. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add or download commentary. First of all, open your application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon. Here you can see the option called commentary and SFX. So here you can see this edit button. Tap on this edit button. Now you can have these options of downloading different languages in commentary. So here English can be done, or other native language that you speak can be downloaded. So here for example, I'm just tapping on this English one. So tap on this download button and tap on start. So this will be downloaded and we can easily equip this in the game. So these commentary will pop up whenever you play the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.